Okay, guys, this is Saturday. Uh, I cut this last Sunday, and I need to cut it again before it get too bad. It's raining today, though, but I'm not gonna be able to cut it today. Hopefully tomorrow. But yeah, I'm really pleased with the growth with this. It's basically ryegrass. Anyway, this is the backyard. April the 5th, 2025. This is our garden. Potatoes, tomatoes, onions, and I believe we have some broccoli growing, bell peppers. So yeah, garden looking good too. I got some jackfruit. We have a lemon tree. It's a little bit of everything. Hopefully it'll grow. Just wanted to make a small video, short video this morning. Enjoy y'all's day, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. God bless.